Finally, I am home now. Today was a very long day. I got a new message now. This number is not familiar.
There is a box outside.
I did not expect this. Leon, something strange happened here.
Stay calm and tell me everything. Let us open it very slowly.
I hope nothing is wrong. This is my old childhood photo.
How did it get here?
They found it already. Interesting.
Another message just arrived.
Someone is watching us now.
There is a silver key inside.
What does it open?
Someone wanted you to find this.
But I do not know why. Wait, there is a small door. I never saw that before. Look at this tiny door.
This must be important. This hallway looks the same.
Then the door is here. I know this place well. You need the basement door.
Go to the stairs now. The truth is below.
My hands are shaking now.
We are almost there.
The key fits the lock.
Please let it open. It is dark inside.
Stay close to me.
Walk slowly and look around.
This room feels very old. This toy rabbit was mine. I remember it now.
There are drawings in here.
Those look like my pictures. There is a recorder here.
It may have a clue.
I am pressing play now.
Let us listen carefully.
It started playing suddenly.
Someone recorded this.
Mira, it's me. I know this voice. It feels familiar.
There is more hidden here.
What did you find?
This letter is for me. How is that possible?
Read this with me now.
This message is important.
These words feel so personal. Someone knew my story.
There is a map inside.
It shows another place. We need to read it carefully.
Every detail may matter.
There is a red circle here. This must be the clue.
We should go now.
Yes, right away.
I knew you would return. Did you find the map? This building keeps many secrets. Your family knew them well.
The map points upward. It means the rooftop.
Keep moving and stay close.
I am right behind you.
We made it to the top.
My heart is beating fast. I will open it slowly. Please be careful now.
There is nothing here.
Look around again carefully.
Wait! I found something there. Look near the chimney.
This box looks very old.
Can you open it safely?
The key fits again here.
Please open it now. It opens so easily. What is inside it?
There are postcards inside.
And another envelope too. This building looked different then. So much has changed now. Please read it quickly.
I am opening it now.
It tells us one more clue. This is unbelievable. It says, look behind the clock.
Then we must go now.
Hurry, do not stop now.
I am right behind you. The clock is right there. What is behind it?
I will move it slowly.
Please be very careful. There is a hidden space. I cannot believe this.
There is a diary inside.
It was hidden for years.
This feels very important. I want to read it.
Open to the first page.
I am reading now.
I remember these words now. They were written for me. I remember these words now. They were written for me.
Look at my rabbit. It is my best friend. I love drawing houses. This one is my home. I remember so much now. My childhood was here.
You are not alone now.
Thank you for helping me. There is one last message. I did not expect this.
This is another address.
Then the story continues. We need to go there now.
I am ready to help.
You found the diary. Good luck tonight.
The city feels different now.
We have a new clue.
This address is nearby.
Let us keep moving.
We are getting closer now.
Keep checking the number.
Let me read it again. I want to be sure. This place looks very old.
But there is light inside.
Someone is inside there. I can see a lamp.
I will open it slowly.
I am right here.
This place is beautiful.
It feels full of stories. I have been expecting you. Welcome inside.
You sent the package?
Yes, I did. Come closer and listen. You deserve the truth. This book holds your history.
Then show me everything. This is my family name. How is it in this book?
These entries are very old.
My family came here before.
For many years, people left clues here. Packages carried forgotten stories.
Your parents knew this place.
My parents knew this place. They came here together.
This belongs to your family.
What does it open? I know this symbol. I saw it before.
The symbols are the same.
They are connected somehow.
There is one more secret room.
Then let us find it. Where are you taking us?
To the final clue. Watch the shelf carefully. It will open now.
The wall is moving.
There is a room behind it.
This room is incredible.
It was hidden so well.
So many memories are here. I can feel it.
This map connects many places.
My family was involved. This is me as a child. We were happy here.
Your parents wanted this safe. They trusted the future.
I understand much more now. Thank you for helping me.
There is another envelope here.
It has my name on it. I am ready to open this. I hope for good news.
This may change everything.
Then let us begin. I am opening it now. I hope for good news. These words are very kind.
Please keep reading slowly.
I needed these words today. They mean so much.
The final clue still waits.
There is more to find?
There is a puzzle here.
I know this shape. It is the park fountain. I remember now.
We should go now.
Yes, hurry quickly.
This park feels familiar.
Keep looking around. There is a symbol here.
It matches the token.
Please work this time. Open gently now. The fountain is opening.
It really worked.
There is a box here. It feels important.
Open it very slowly.
I am ready now.
These are old memories. They were saved for me. This was me before. I looked so happy.
There is more inside.
A tiny music box. This song is beautiful. I know this tune. I remember laughing here. Those were warm days.
There is one more note.
Please open it now.
I am reading it now. I hope it is kind.
It thanks me for trying.
You never gave up.
The night feels calm now. My heart feels lighter.
Thank you for staying.
I would do it again.
I will keep these safe. They matter to me.
You seem happier now.
I truly feel better.
It feels good to be home. Tonight changed me.
Welcome back, Mira.
Thank you kindly. You helped me so much.
You helped yourself.
One more gift remains.
Another key? This key is so small. What does it open?
Try it inside there.
Now I am curious. I never knew this locked. Let me open it now. These are birthday letters. They waited for me. These words are full of love. I miss this so much. I will read every letter. I want each memory.
You look brighter today.
I feel brighter too.
Read this line here.
That is beautiful.
I want memories near me. They give me strength. This belongs here now. Everything feels right. Morning feels peaceful now. The sun looks bright. This is a lovely morning. I feel much better. Did someone knock there? I will go check now. No one is here now. That is strange. There is a gift here. Who left this for me? I will open it inside. This feels exciting. Let me open it now. I wonder what it is. A tiny plant for me. This is so sweet. New beginnings for me. I love these words.
It was from you.
Maybe it was.
Thank you so much. You deserve kindness.
Enjoy your morning gift.
I surely will. You belong right here.
grow strong and bright. Leon sent a message. He wants coffee today. Which one looks best? I feel confident now. Nice to see you.
You look wonderful today. How are you today?
I feel really good. I forgot this feeling. It feels so good.
This is for you.
A notebook for me? These pages are empty. I can start fresh. This market feels alive.
It is full of color.
I know that symbol. Look at this box. It matches our clue.
This is important.
May I see this box?
Of course, young lady.
It interests me.
I will open it now.
Please be gentle. Another map piece here. This is incredible.
We found another clue.
The mystery continues. I will note everything. Details are important. Let us continue together.
I am with you.
Today changed everything. I feel stronger now. The plant has bloomed. What a lovely surprise. This belongs here now. I will study it later. Chapter 1 begins now. My story starts here. Another message now? Who could it be? There is another clue. This is happening again. Leon, answer please. We have a new clue. Are you ready again?
Always ready, Mira.
I am ready now. Let us continue. I need everything ready. We leave soon. The city is waiting. So am I. Everything is ready now. Time to go. Stay safe up there. I will return soon. Another journey begins. I am ready now.
Take this with you.
Thank you, Nora. This will help a lot. You are so kind. You're very welcome, dear. The night feels cool. Let us begin.
I was waiting here.
Good to see you. Read this message now.
This sounds serious.
There is a location here. We know where to go.
We turn left first.
Then straight ahead. We are close now.
Keep moving fast.
It is the same symbol. We found the place.
I will hold the light.
Let me inspect it. This brick feels different. I will press it now. The wall opened up.
It really moved.
There is something inside. A paper tube.
Another map piece.
We found it again. The edges look right. They may connect. They fit together.
This is amazing.
We are ready now. The journey continues.